If you are a coffee lover, you are definitely going to love this. This is going to be your new favorite. If you are not, you should still give this a try because you are going to love it. Now let me show you how I made this coffee loaf cake. You do not need any heavy equipment to make this at all. Let me show you how. Into a bowl, you want to go in with some milk, and in this video I'm using evaporated milk. Go in with your coffee and you want to mix this thoroughly until it's all dissolve, the coffee dissolve. I use warm milk here, and that is very perfect for this recipe. I also introduced some sugar and I added whole egg to this, and make sure that you just make the sugar to suit your preference. If you don't want a lot of sugar, just reduce what you have here, but this just fits the quantity of cake we are making right here. Ensure to mix this very well, but do not use this recipe or do not make this recipe if you are allergic to coffee. Don't try it. Now let's go in with some melted margarine, or you can use butter for that as well. Now you want to mix everything and ensure that it incorporates very well with the liquids from earlier. Introduce some soft flour or all-purpose flour. Now you want to introduce some baking powder and baking soda. Go to the description and check the measurement for all of these ingredients right here. You can add flavor if you prefer to add any flavor of your choice. Go ahead and do that, but note that this particular recipe has no flavor at all and it still tasted so good. Yes, it tasted so good, and the coffee flavor was dominant here because I did not add any extra flavor like vanilla and the others. Now mix and ensure you have something just like this, and grease your pan with some margarine and flour, or if you have a baking paper, just go ahead and then lay that in your pan. And now you want to transfer all of these into your pan. Make sure you leave some space up so that it would help this to proof. You know, when it's proving, it's double in size, so make sure you leave some space up there. So if your pan can contain all of these, just put the rest in another pan, beat it to expel some excess air, and now we put this into our oven to bake. Everything, like I said, will just be in the description, so just follow that and you'll be able to bake this till it's perfect. Now that we have our cake in the oven, we want to go ahead and make our syrup. Yes, you want this syrup to go with the cake, and this syrup is the perfect one, and make sure you follow this recipe very well. So into a bowl, we'll introduce some evaporated milk. I'll give you all the measurements in the description, so just follow through with that. And I added some icing sugar to this, and I introduced some coffee as well. I'm going to mix these until everything comes together. Now let's check on our cake, and then you ensure that you put some toothpick in it, and if it comes out clean, then you should have something just like this. Now allow it to cool for some time and put your syrup over it. Just pour as much as you prefer over it like this, and then you can allow it to sit for some time while the syrup just sink into the cake, or you can cut it immediately and then you drip some of the syrup on it, and you can enjoy this alone, or you can just go ahead and add some beverage to it. I hope that you love this video, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this amazing channel if you love recipes like this, because every week on Thursdays I come up with new recipes to help you enjoy your favorite dishes. So make sure you give me a share as well, comment your thoughts, and then follow me on my other social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok, and they will be linked in the description. If you enjoy this video, make sure you join the community, and also if you are a new subscriber or you are a returning subscriber, you are all welcome, and always stay safe. I will see you on the next one. Until then, bye.